Ready to turn your Wintub views into real-world cash? Let's dive into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your hard-earned money from Wintub. First, log into your Wintub account once you're in. Navigate to your dashboard, look for the withdrawal or payment section. It's usually located in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. You'll now see a list of available payment methods. Wintub typically offers options like PayPal, Payoneer, or even direct bank transfer, but this varies depending on the region. Select your preferred payment gateway by clicking on its icon. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. This might include your PayPal email address, your Payoneer account information, or your bank account details. Double-check everything carefully. Incorrect information can lead to delays or even a failed withdrawal. Before you proceed, be aware of the minimum withdrawal amount. Wintub sets a minimum threshold you need to reach before you can cash out. This is usually around $5,080. You'll find this information clearly displayed on the withdrawal page if your balance is below that amount. Keep watching videos until you reach the minimum. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance. After this, you may need to verify your identity for the first time. Upon withdrawing, Wintub may ask you to verify the withdrawal by email or through another form of ID. Follow any on-screen instructions diligently to complete this one-time verification process. Finally, confirm your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the status of your request. Processing times may vary. It takes 23 days in general. Congrats on receiving your earnings.